Today, baby?
We're making the pride of a nation soap. It is maple leaf.
Sorry, I'm clicking the mouse. Did you notice that it's not recording?
Not again.
Thing actually just a little dense. Pouring the lye water in. Yes, it's a maple leaf soap. Not necessarily a Canadian soap, although it is Canadian made.
Yes.
But a lot of people like the maple leaf.
And I said it was the pride of the nation soap.
Yes, you did. Indeed.
And I'm afraid I was going to do a rendition of Canada, but better not.
Look, it's whizzy whizzy, let's get busy time.
Yeah. Whizzy whizzy, let's get busy.
So I found that column mold on Amazon, and I did not know a maple leaf column mold existed.
Oh, really?
So I was very happy to see it. And if you go to fruitsofaloon.com right now, you'll see a matching soap dish made out of resin, because I've been playing with resin lately.
Yes, they've been very exceptional.
Titanium dioxide going in.
I love them.
Bourbon tobacco, everyone's favorite.
Bourbon tobacco, a lovely fragrance.
This is a male and female soap. Everybody loves that smell.
Yeah, it's just really nice. Sticks on your face and stays there. The fragrance.
Sticks on your face?
You ever wash, you stick it. It feels like you've got a load of cologne on.
It's a very nice smell.
Moisturises your face as well.
It's a very nice smell.
And here we have the infamous
Whizzy whizzy.
Let's get busy.
Yeah. I'm liking the texture of that batter. It's also a confetti soap.
Oh yes, that's right, because of
the confetti.
Yeah, the confetti soap pieces you dropped in.
Right.
Yeah.
So anyway, I've been playing with resin, and I made a soap dish out of resin. It has 4 dried maple leaves in it. And you can check it out at fruitsofaloon.com, and if you buy the dish, you can get the dish and the soap cheaper than if you were to buy a bar of soap and a dish separately. Does that even make sense?
Yes, it's called bundle. Get yourself a bundle.
A bundle. A maple leaf bundle.
A bundle of this and a bundle of that. Great gifts as well.
Did you see the mistake I made there?
No, too busy talking.
Yeah, me too. But I put the fragrance oil in before I took my piping out. And I don't usually put fragrance in my piping because it can really mess your piping up. But I got lucky this time. It did not mess my piping up. There's my confetti. Glycerin, melt and pour, red soap shreds.
If you want to know what I'm doing every night of the week, I'm shredding on an old-fashioned cheese grater.
You are not. You are such a liar.
Except on a Saturday when I paint pilau rice.
Pilau rice?
The coloured rice you have. I paint them.
No, you don't paint
I get
rice.
paid a cent for every grain of paint.
He does not paint rice. We would need a very big magnifying glass for that.
You've got to tell the future though, wouldn't it?
Yes, pouring it into the mold.
Oh, look at that. Now that's making me hungry again.
What's it reminding you of this time?
It reminds me, and anybody out there has had it, they'll know what I'm talking about.
Confetti cupcakes.
No. It reminds me of Madagascar vanilla custard, which is absolutely amazing.
I've never even heard of it.
It's that colour and it's
there,
beautiful.
Look, there's the maple leaf glycerin embed. You can get that column mold at Amazon. Great. I don't know if I put it in my description though. Yeah, check down below. I'm pretty sure by the time this video comes out, I will have put it in my description.
Yeah, they're great molds, you know.
They are, and they keep getting more intricate and better, more interesting. I'm actually thinking of confetti cupcakes right now.
Yes, cupcakes. It's a long time since I've
I don't eat a lot of sugary stuff except for my dark chocolate covered almonds.
Oh, let me say something funny.
Oh no.
Got the soap ones and didn't realise I was sat there with these big chocolate muffins.
Okay, I bought silicone cupcake molds.
That's right.
And I thought I separated them from the ones I used to pour soap into. So I made cupcakes in them, and they were so delicious looking. And we started eating them, and all we could taste was soap.
And I said, wow, the taste of soap there.
I was like, no, impossible.
No, God,
I know. I said, no, that's impossible because I separated those.
I'm going to throw them all in the bin.
Those molds. They went in the garbage.
Funny things you do, eh?
So, FYI, very carefully make sure your soaping materials are kept separately from your food materials.
Exactly. We cried when them 25
did.
muffins went into the garbage.
We
Yes,
did.
25.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, look at the top of that soap now, yes. It just looks like
in my head, I was
green.
like, I opened the cupboard and I put the non-soap used ones on the left and the soap used ones on the right. And that's not good enough, people. Put them in another room.
And that's what we had to do. Put them all in the room.
Yes.
Well, that was a nightmare, it's a shame. But it was funny as well because we thought we were like hallucinating or something.
Yeah, we really did. I was like, impossible. Look at the texture of that. Now look how thick my piping got. That's from the fragrance. It all works out in the end, but
it's just made it more stiffer, hasn't it?
Very, very, very stiffer. Like too stiff. And I don't know the name of that tip to this day. Is it M or 1M?
I don't know.
Can somebody tell me in the comments below? Is it a Wilton 1M? Because that rings a bell, but I just don't keep track of these things. I just decide, either I like it or I don't.
This is
cornets. That's the word I was trying to remember that you told me.
I'm sorry, people, but I'll always go on about this because it makes you like Madagascar vanilla. Absolutely gorgeous custard. You get that in your neck of the woods.
I hate custard.
It's beautiful.
What is the difference between custard and pudding?
Just a name.
No.
A pudding's a cake with custard on the top.
Wait.
On its ice cream.
Wait.
Something sweet.
Pudding's a cake with wait. No, pudding, like creamy pudding.
You call that pudding. We call it we can't do UK now.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's sea salt with gold mica on it. And those are little maple leaf made out of sugar.
Can't you tell?
Can you believe I found those?
Nuts.
Look, can you believe I found little sugar candy maple leaves?
I know, they're amazing. And the colour and contrast of that works well, doesn't it? The red and the gold and the white.
I like it.
Creamy white.
I shouldn't say I like my own things, but I really like that one.
Oh, you've got to blow your own trumpet, because nobody else will do it for you.
You do it for me.
That's right. And there you go, you see?
The next day.
The confetti.
The confetti maple leaf soap.
Great colours. They will match any bathroom. Any.
Especially bathrooms with red in it. Look, I got the leaf a little crooked and there's an air pocket there, but otherwise, good soap. It smells delicious.
It's a damn good job.
Darn good job. I have to cut that word out.
I said, damn good job.
Yeah, we're going to have to cut that out. I don't think we can say them. Can we? YouTube, can we say?
Not a swear word.
Well, no, we can't say. I'm going to beep that out.
Yeah, I have to beep that.
Yep.
It's great the way you got it dead central.
Well, I tried to, but when I was putting it in, I couldn't tell which way was up or down or sideways, east, west. So it's a little bit crooked. It's still, all in all, a very nice soap, I must say.
And it will have a great lather on it.
It's all the same. All my soap is the same recipe, so they all lather really well.
Oh, great lathers. And your shaving soap is amazing.
Yes, I do make shaving soap, but it's not on my website yet.
The oldie worldy shaving soap with a brush, it works
The kind
fantastic.
that you put, it's like a puck that you put in a teacup and you use like the brushy thing with it.
There we go.
Isn't that wonderful?
And a quadruple of maple soaps.
No, that was 3. That was a Bryce.
I thought it was 4 there.
No, I think there was 3. I think you're wrong. Anyway, if you like my channel and you like listening to us babble, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, or give us a thumbs down if you can't stand the sound of our voices.
I hope our reminiscing of things are cheering you up, because I find it great when you can reminisce about things.
Did we reminisce in this one?